So yesterday only we were talking, we are bullish and the markets are likely to go on the upside, and still we stand by that. I think markets are going to go on the upside. If it goes downside, let it go, we'll manage, that's not an issue. Anyways, we see 90% or even let me tell you, even 70%, more than 70% of the time our views go wrong. And if your views go right, only 70% of the time or more than 70% of the time you will be a multi-millionaire, right? So that's why we have come up with so much adjustment that this, why do you seem these adjustments are existing? Why do people collect so much fees for adjustment? Why do people collect fees for price action? So many things are happening here, right? Even people go for algo trading because their view has gone wrong. That's why so much of countermeasures are taken, so much of effort is put to make money if the market if our views go wrong, right? So you have to remember, many people, not only me, many people in the market, they make money when things go wrong. So it doesn't mean I am telling my view has gone wrong. So yesterday we were bullish and still we are bullish, and I think whatever happened today, see, market was very volatile. Nifty, if you see, Nifty gapped up by 100 points. It went all the way from 17,600, it gapped up 17,700, it went all the way to 17,800, then came all the way down to 17,500. That is very highly volatile. And you don't have to talk about Bank Nifty also, same scenario. It went all the way to how much? 37,000, 38,100. It gapped up by by around 200 points, went all the way to 38,000, then came all the way down to 37,400 and settled somewhere around 37,892 levels. So that is the amount of volatility we were experiencing today. So anyone who had traded in Bank Nifty and made money, let me know in the comment section below. You are really a genius, and you should start teaching other people how to trade Bank Nifty in this kind of scenario. So why am I saying this? Because it was highly volatile. You see here, let me show you. Where is Nifty? Nifty, it's gapping up by 100 points to 17,600 700 levels. Then it went all the way to 17,791, then came back to 17,536, then settled somewhere around 17,600. So how such a volatile, right? This is the kind of market we shouldn't be trading. If you have traded in today's market, you let me know. But what I'll tell you is, today was an excellent opportunity. Nifty and Bank Nifty both has given a excellent opportunity to short the market. You see, India VIX has shooted up by around 7%, more than 7.5%, I believe. So that was an excellent opportunity. And and if you see, there is two holidays, Saturday and Sunday is going to be an holiday. And before weekend, we are getting a high India VIX and theta decay. Good theta decay is going to be super excellent profit. So I did a strangle. What I did, I sold a 17,800 call option and 17,300 or 17,200 put option. So combined premium I collected, I did around 15 lots. So that's coming around 750 quantity. So if the markets, and you know what will happen on Monday, maximum Monday, unless until we don't have any negative or positive news, Monday is going to be a flat day only. And you know what, in Monday US is like US market is 1 day slower, right, than us. So Monday night only US markets are going to open. So Monday morning Asian markets and even European markets will wait for US markets to open. So maximum we will get flat only. Mondays, if you go and check all the Mondays, it will be maximum flat only. So we will see, it will be calm, and we'll see, we'll make a good amount of money if the market doesn't gap up or gap down. Even if it gaps up or gap downs, we will manage. So that is not an issue. And if you see the Nifty Bank, there is a short covering in Nifty Bank, and yesterday we were telling there is a long build up in Nifty Bank and short build up in Bank Nifty, right? Let me show you. Yeah, there is a short covering in Bank Nifty Bank, and if you see the Nifty, there is a long unwinding in Nifty, and a short covering in Bank Nifty, right? So that's the thing you have to take, you have to consider, and both the whether it is Nifty and Bank Nifty premium, both are trading at a good premium, so you have to consider that also. Keeping all this mind, I think still I am bullish, I am not even bearish. And let me tell you, whether I am bearish or bullish, I am going to take a neutral stance only. I am not going to I am not going to take a directional view. We don't work like that, right? If things go wrong, we will try to manage. See, taking a taking a directional view doesn't make sense, because there is no margin benefit. Let's say I am bullish. If I sell a put option, I am going to pay the same margin as doing a strangle. So why I have to go for naked option? I can go for strangle. At least I am getting protection, limited protection. So this call is protected by put, and this put is protected by call when it comes to a strangle. So if I am going directional view, what I will do, see, let's say I am bullish, and I expect the market to move from 17,500 to 18,000. What I will do is I will sell closer strike which is near the spot price. Let's say market is at 17,500. I will go and sell 17,300 put option, since I am bullish, and I will go and sell 18,200 or 18,300 call option on the upside. So I will get margin benefits also, at the same time I will get premium also. If it comes, or if it reverses, or if the market is testing your break even point, that we can manage, right? So my weekly, if you see, this is a weekly open interest data of Bank Nifty, and there is a good amount of call writing. People have written 38,000 call in Bank Nifty, right? So that should be a good resistance. Yeah, 38,000 is acting as a good resistance. And in weekly option, there is a people are writing 17,600 straddle, and 17,800 call option is having the highest open interest. There is good amount of call writing both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. The way the Nifty and Bank Nifty move today, people have written more number of calls both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And if you see the FIA data, FIA data is something very confusing, right? One day they are buying, one day they are selling. All things happen when it comes to bank this thing. So as expected, yesterday also they have bought for around 16,221 crores in the cash market. Let's see today what they are going to do. So far they have been buying only. That's the reason I am also bullish, and I also recommend a bullish call. But let's see what is going to happen today. The amount of volatility what we saw today, I think they might be short and they would have sold also. So let's see what happens on Monday. I think this is enough for today. Have a nice weekend. Take care. Bye.